ChatGPT ads are coming to the UK, so here's what you need to start thinking about ahead of their launch here. Hi, I'm Alex, Head of Marketing here at the SEO Works. Now, you've probably seen our coverage of the launch of ChatGPT ads following their rollout beginning over in the USA. Although there's no confirmed launch date here in the UK, it's crucial for us marketers to start considering what this new channel might mean for our brands. So here are 5 things that you need to start thinking about right now if you're going to be ready when they do arrive. 1. Are they right for your brand? With any new advertising channel, it's incredibly important to put the excitement to one side and ask, should my brand even advertise there? Consider your existing marketing mix, budget limitations, your conversion journey, and most importantly, whether your audience are there at all. 2. Build credibility before spending. Conversational ads won't provide a shortcut to trust and will likely be more powerful if your brand is already present organically. Therefore, you should focus on producing clear, helpful content on your site, such as guides, insights, and case studies, in order to highlight some genuine knowledge. 3. Think in conversations, not slogans. ChatGPT ads blend guidance and promotion. So start documenting what your customers are asking and how they're asking for it, because these insights will allow you to turn that traditional ad copy into the more conversational messaging that the new ads will require. 4. Expect a different path to conversion. ChatGPT allows for discovery and evaluation in a single interaction, meaning conversion times are likely to compress. So to decrease friction and add value, you need to consider how your service or product details can be accessed directly through that conversation thread. 5. Reevaluate measuring success. Pure last-click conversion tracking won't tell the full story with these ads, so it's crucial to broaden your measurement of success, taking into account everything from influence to brand presence and even lead quality. So before launching, make sure you understand what success looks like and how you plan to measure it when you go live. So, to conclude, there are a lot of unknowns still about ChatGPT ads, including when they'll even launch here in the UK. But that should not stop you from preparing. By considering these 5 things I've discussed, you'll be best placed for success when they do launch.